Subscribe to the channel Techie Pizza and don't forget to turn on the bell to get more and more notifications of the new videos.
So hello fellas, welcome back to another video of Techie Pizza. So in this video I'm gonna give you the basics of Python. So Python is basically a programming language which is used to make games and small programs. So in this video I'm gonna give you the basics by making a program which can find the max number of the range of numbers that you would give in the program. So I'm Singh with the Let's Spread Technology. So for making the program which can find the max number, first we have to open the Python IDLE shell from the search bar right over here. Then we cannot directly type our program within this shell because shell is only meant for executing the programs. Executing means running in easy language. So for writing the program, first we have to click on this file and open the new file from here, new file, and then we'll type a program here. So to display the text on the program, we'll write the code print, these brackets, we're gonna write this program can find the max number of the three numbers that you would give to the program. This program can find the max number of the three numbers that you would give to the program. So we're going to close the quotes and the bracket as well. So now we're going to put a variable for the three. We're going to put three variables so that the user could enter three numbers for the program. So variable is an object in a program which changes according to the execution of the program. So for making a variable, first we have to assign it a name. So I'm assigning the name fn, means first number. So we're gonna write int input. So basically input is used to take the information from the user, and integer means that the user should give the input only in the form of integers. So now we're going to print the dialog right here. Enter the first number. Enter the first number. Now we're going to put a colon so that the user should enter his number right over here. And you're going to close the quotes and the bracket as well. We're going to close another bracket for the int command, and we're going to press enter. So now this format will be followed in all the variables. So sn is equal to int. So as you can see that all the variables are following the same format right here, but the text is different. Enter the second number. So here the user will enter his second number. I'm going to close the brackets and press enter again. So let's start with the third number, tn, third number. So we're going to write int input. We're going to put the brackets and the quotes and write enter the third number here. So we can put a colon. We'll follow the same format. No need to put here. Colon and brackets. So we're gonna close it twice and we're gonna press enter. So now we're gonna write print. So you must be thinking that how will I find the so you must be thinking that how will I find the answer? So for that we have to write the code max for finding the max out of a range of max number out of the range of specific variables. So we're gonna write max, print max. So now we're gonna fill all these variables in max. fn, comma, sn, comma, tn. So now we're gonna close the bracket of max and print as well. So now we're gonna compile to check whether there is any mistake or not. So we're gonna check the model. Let's save it first. We can save it. Let's save it with some irregular name. So we'll save it on the desktop and click on save. So let's run our program right now. So we're gonna run a module. This program can find the max number of the 3 numbers that you would give to the program and to the first number. So the first number is 96 and to the second number. So the second number would be 54 and to the third number. So the third number would be 85. So now as you can see that it has told me the max number out of the 3 numbers which I gave to the program. So here we are. I taught you the basics of Python. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. And make sure you have a great day.